Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Device to Nubia Red Magic 7S. You need to start by opening Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere and get this app from this developer, then open it. Now, in order to use this app, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices. Now choose Receive over here at the bottom of your Nubia next to Send and History, and tap on Send at the bottom left corner of your Motorola if it's not already on. Then you can finally tap on all of those dots in all of those categories, and when you finished, choose Send over here. This way you will select all of those files and then send them. It will take a long time though to do it now, so I will go with only one photo. Click on Send over here and just got it in the pop-up. Now on Nubia you need to choose one of those options. To set up the best one for you, I will go with No Thanks and just close this window. After that we have two ways to connect. We can connect those two smartphones by scanning this QR code. If you wish to do that, tap on this scanning icon next to input key on Nubia. Choose while using the app or only this time to allow camera access, and point your camera at the code. But if you want to, you can always just input this key over here instead, and then connect by tapping Receive button. And as you can see, after that, my photo is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!